Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you the latest card class to go that I have available. This one, it's featuring the Forever Firm suite, which includes this design series paper. As you can see here, one of my favorite ones. It has lots and lots of paper, all greens and lots of leaves. I mean, it's just a great design series paper. It also goes really well with the Forever Fern bundle. And this one, as you can see, all of these images have a die cut that coordinates with that one. But also there's a lot of leaves that stand alone. So you can cut them out from foil paper or cardstock, and they all look really great. The other thing is that some of the leaves, so I think some of these, like these two and these, have also matching images on the design series paper, so you can cut some of the design series paper with that one. So definitely, like I said, this is a great suite. And also, not part from that suite, but I think it goes really well with the colors in this one, is the Just Jade in color ribbon. So this is what is going to be included. So as usual, there's going to be two options on the class. So option number one has the make and take kit for all of these projects, and you get one video tutorial for each of these card class. You get a PDF with instructions, with the measurements, and then a link to the video. And I do choose to do videos because I feel like it's easier for me to explain exactly what I am doing. Also, you can see it right there, and I can share even more tips with you as far as making the cards. So definitely I feel like having a video tutorial gives you an extra value because I'm actually showing you exactly how it's done. So option one is the one that includes all the make and takes, the video tutorials. It includes half of a pack of this paper, and also includes these what is this? This bundle, and includes one spool of the Just Jade ribbon. And so this option is $99. It already includes the shipping, which is $8 priority. And so that's option one. Option two is the one for those of you that already have the bundle. So you already have this bundle, you don't need it from me, you already have it. And so it includes also the make and take pack. Again, you get all the paper cut already for you to use, the PDF with the measurements, as well as the links to every single tutorial and the pictures. You get half of a pack of this design series paper, and you also get the one spool of the ribbon. That option is $49, and again, it already includes the shipping, which is $8. And then the last option is for those of you who already have everything included here. So you already have the paper, the cardstock, the ribbon, the bundle. So you only need the instructions on how to make these cards, and that option is $20, and you can get it right away out of my PDF store. You just have to click on the link that I have below. You can as soon as you pay, you get an email with a link to it, so you can download it right away. So those are the three options that I have. I hope you can join me. I know you're gonna love this class. I don't know if I said this, but there's three fun fold cards, and then there's another three cards that looks just as amazing as the fun cards. But I know that some of you love to have fun fold, so definitely this is this has half and half. So anyway, so thank you so much. I hope you join me, and I can wait to see you there. Bye for now.